guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. And yes, I'm about to give you another chicken recipe. So if you want to see how I make some chili garlic party wings, then stick around. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Let me thank all of my new subscribers, and please like this video, you guys. Let's trigger the algorithm so we can push this video out there. And don't forget to click on that notification bell just in case when I do drop a video, you will be the first to know, okay? So enough talking, let's go ahead and get cooking. So off camera, I've already rinsed and cleaned 1 pound or a package of party wings. I have some fresh ginger root and I'm going to go ahead and peel it and take my knife and I'm going to chop 1 teaspoon of some fresh ginger. I mean, I love me some ginger. It's so good and so good for you. So right now I'm going to put together a flour mixture. So I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of flour along with 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. And then I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt and black pepper and give it a big stir. And now I'm going to take my party wings and I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and I'm going to go ahead and add the flour mixture. And take my hands and just make sure that all the chicken is coated with the flour. So this is what the chicken is going to look like, and I'm going to head on over to my favorite thing, the air fryer of course. Line it with some parchment paper and just add the chicken to the basket. So I went ahead and I preheated the air fryer at 450 degrees and I'm going to cook the chicken between 10 and 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes of cooking, I'm going to turn my chicken around. It's looking golden brown and delicious, and I'm going to go ahead and let it cook for another 5 to 6 minutes. And while that's cooking, I have some exciting news to share with you guys. So let me thank all the good people at Michelangelo. You know what? I think they've been reading my mind because I have been on the hunt for some brand new cookware, and they were kind enough to send me this beautiful 10-piece set. And I really wanted to capture the unboxing on camera, and I gotta tell you guys, I was so impressed. I love the color and it is very lightweight, but yet it feels very durable. They sent me 2 skillets, a small and a medium, and 2 saucepans and a deep pot, which is something I really love to use, and also a rubber spatula, which is something I always use. And of course, as soon as I got them, I really wanted to start cooking, and I love the performance of it. The heat distribution, it really makes cooking so much easier. It's non-stick, as well as a non-toxic coating, which is something that is always important when you're buying new cookware. And you'll be amazed on how much better your food is going to taste when you're using quality cookware. I mean, these burgers were amazing. And of course, the cleanup is really easy. Just some water and soap and you are good to go. So this white granite design is really beautiful. The handles are easy to grip as well as the handles on the lid. So again, let me thank Michelangelo Cookware for sending me this beautiful set, and if you're interested, please click the description box down below where I'll add on all the information and the links so you can get your hands on this cookware set as well. So while the chicken is still cooking, I'm going to put together a delicious sauce. So I'm going to melt 2 teaspoons of unsalted butter and add the chopped ginger, and off camera I went ahead and I chopped 3 garlic cloves and saute everything together. And I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. I'm going to go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of honey and stir that in. 1/4 teaspoon of paprika and 1/2 teaspoon of some red pepper flakes for some heat, as well as 1/2 teaspoon of chili paste. So now I'm going to add 1/4 cup of water, continue to stir it, and let your sauce simmer down between 5 to 7 minutes over medium-low heat. So my party wings are done. They look delicious and golden brown. I love party wings. And I'm just going to add it to the pan and I'm going to toss it around in the spicy sauce, making sure the chicken is coated really good. And at the very end, I'm just going to toss in some fresh parsley and we are all done. So if you're new to this channel, you must understand that I love chicken and I'm always coming up or finding recipes to make chicken even more and more delicious. And this recipe is really simple to make, and so you really have to give it a try. But we are all done. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Share it with everybody you know. Follow me, tag me on Instagram, take a picture. I would love to see it. And if you give this recipe a try, please leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. Now wait, you guys, before you leave, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscriber button down at the bottom. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see over there. But until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye bye.